we've just acquired. This very rare. It's the Volvo. It's the R Design T2. Absolutely superb condition. The wheels just going to be refurbished, as it has literally just arrived. It's got the twin exhaust. It's got the full R Design body kit. It's the T3R. Boot there is in lovely condition. Full R Design seats with a half leather Alcantara, electric windows, electric mirrors. And 486 miles. Cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, 6-speed gearbox, DAB radio, media pack, Bluetooth, climate control. Drives absolutely spot on. DJH have full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For quite any further information, please just call 07503 751 005. Thank you.